fix error on Play Store. Let's go menu. Select settings options. Let's go ask options. Click here, okay guys. Select Play Store apps, okay, or select Google Play Store and select Google Play Service. Select storage option, select manage space and select clear cache. Select Google Play Store. Clear data y clear cache. And clear cache. Let's go menu. Select setting options. Let's go ask option, okay guys. Select storage option, clear data and clear cache. Let's go menu. Select ask, okay, select settings option. Sorry. Select ask option. Reset ask preference. Okay. Let's go settings. Select accounts options. Let's go Google. Select all options in accounts. Click here, remove account, okay, remove all accounts guys.